Hello. How?
Welcome to our log cabin in the woods. We are Paul and Susan Loftin, and we are building a log cabin on 10 wooded acres in central Missouri. In this episode, we are having trees removed in preparation to dig the foundation. Follow along as we begin this once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss a moment of the build. It is 2 days before they're going to come and remove some trees, and we are out at the site checking it over and discussing some of the things that we need to do. There's an old shed here that has fallen down, and we've decided that we need to get this out of the way before they show up to start removing the trees. So Paul is going to spend time pulling that down the rest of the way and removing all of the debris and get that project out of the way before we build.
A lot of trash left over from the previous owners. Section will be the back of the house, so all that has to be dug out. That will all be dug out. And some of these trees here will have to be taken down, like this one here.
This is one of the trees we're going to have removed. As you can see, the bark is missing on one side and half of the tree is dead, and this is going to be close to where the front of the house is, so we need to take that down before it falls on the house. So this is 2 days later, and we have the excavator company has come out and they are removing the 3 trees that we need removed. 2 of them are dead on one side, and the third one is in the way of the building site. So we're fortunate that we only needed to remove 3 trees. This portion of the property is close to the road, and this is a fairly clear area. There is a line of trees up against the road that used to be a fence line, and that will provide shade for the house, and then behind that is the cleared area where the house will be. Now, they worked for several hours bringing down these 3 trees and breaking them apart and then moving them away from the build site.
This thing just flops around. Got a big old chunk of it. There it goes. How? I gotta break it down so they can move it. big piece of it right there. Look at that. Stacking it all up.
This was a cloudy day to begin with, but now it's starting to rain. But the guys keep on working. What they're doing now is trying to break up the tree a little bit, and then they're going to move all the pieces to a corner of the cleared area of the property where it will be out of the way of any construction equipment that's going to be coming in. Later that evening, we came back out to the property to look it over and see what it looks like with those 3 trees removed and that group of bushes that was in the way there. And you can see the difference in the property now. And the sun is setting, and you can see that shining through the trees. Now they dug up some of the remnants of the old trailer that had been there, the old mobile home. And this is our daughter Sarah. She's standing next to one of our tree stumps to kind of show how big that tree was. And there's Paul. He is looking through all the rubble to see if there's anything in there that we need to keep or if it all just needs to go in the trash. And here you can see a piece of old hose, garden hose, and some concrete blocks that are broken, and some scraps of wood and rocks. Missouri has a lot of rocks.
You can smell that cedar tree. Smell the cedar? Yeah. There's where they pushed the trees. Back there. And right back there is one of the
Looks like he ran over his own stakes.
trunks. Sorry, you're okay, sweetie. You can hear the neighbors. Yeah. Noisy kids.
And hopefully I will get good sleep tonight.
I think you will.
Bush hog attachment on that.
What?
Get a bush hog attachment for that skid steer.
Yeah. Knock down some of the old brush in there. Some of these trees are really a good size. Old trees.
Let these off here to be able to, so we'll have something we can cut up for firewood.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this episode. We hope you'll join us next time as we continue building our log cabin in the woods.